All right, you're all on camera. Look at the screams going. Come on. I'm counting on you.
I'm sure they'll come. This is a great one. You say they're redoing Loch Ness Monster?
Yeah, they're closing her. I think next weekend is a members. The members celebrating the members weekend is next weekend, and they close her after that. It's supposed to open back up in April.
Oh, okay. So they're keeping it.
Oh yeah, if you go to if you go on Griffin and look off into the employee parking lot, you can see all the track. It's all stacked up.
Probably the best view of fall in Virginia, I bet. Trees and everything.
Wow!
Yeah. And up here you can see out towards the tidewater.
There we go. Still one of the best rides here. I love that. No?
I know.
It is a good one. I've heard that same here.
Such a nice view from the top too, with all the leaves changing.
Oh, it's beautiful. You can see all that and the water and everything. It's nice.
Push up on your order and exit quickly and carefully to your right.